What if I told you that the work taking you 20 to 30 hours every week could be finished before your coffee gets cold? Sounds exaggerated? It isn't. AI has quietly reached a point where tasks that once took entire workdays now take less than 10 minutes. And no, I'm not talking about futuristic robots or complicated coding. I'm talking about free tools you can start using today. In this video, I'll show you 7 AI tools that are changing the way people work, create content, research, design, and automate their businesses. By the end, you'll know exactly which tool can save you the most time, and which one could completely replace the most repetitive part of your workflow. Let's get started. Before we jump into the tools, think about your average workday: editing videos, writing reports, making presentations, researching online, creating thumbnails, recording voiceovers, setting up repetitive workflows. These tasks easily consume 20 to 30 hours every single week. Now imagine cutting almost all of that down to just minutes. That's exactly what these tools do. Let's start with one of my favorites. If you've ever edited a video, you know the pain. Watching the timeline, cutting every mistake, removing awkward pauses, adding captions. A simple 30-minute video can easily take 4 to 6 hours to edit. Descript completely changes that. Instead of editing the timeline, you edit the transcript, delete a sentence, the video edits itself. Need to remove filler words like and one click. Want captions, automatically generated. The result? What once took half a day now takes about 9 minutes. If you edit podcasts, YouTube videos, or interviews, this tool alone can save dozens of hours every month. Let's be honest, nobody enjoys making presentations. Finding templates, writing slides, aligning text, searching for images, formatting everything. A professional presentation can easily consume an entire afternoon. Gamma changes that. Simply describe your topic in one sentence. Within seconds, it creates a complete presentation. Professional layouts, images, animations, even the content. Need PowerPoint. Export it instantly. What used to take 5 to 8 hours now takes around 7 minutes. If you're a student, entrepreneur, or office worker, you'll probably never start presentations from scratch again. Have you ever opened Google only to end up with 40 browser tabs? 30 minutes later, you're still searching. Perplexity fixes that problem. Instead of showing endless links, it researches the internet for you, then delivers a complete answer with sources. Need competitor research, product comparisons, market trends, academic information? Simply ask. Within minutes, you'll have organized information, complete with citations. No SEO spam, no clickbait articles, just answers. Research that once took 3 to 5 hours now takes roughly 8 minutes. Professional voiceovers usually require a good microphone, a quiet room, multiple recordings, audio editing, noise removal, and plenty of patience. Or you can paste your script into ElevenLabs, choose a voice, click generate. That's it. Within minutes, you have studio quality narration. The voices sound incredibly natural. You can even clone your own voice with just a few minutes of audio. What used to take several hours now takes about 4 minutes. It's one of the reasons AI-generated videos have become so popular. Most people ask AI, write me a blog, then wonder why the result sounds robotic. The secret isn't just using AI, it's prompting it correctly. Claude excels at long-form writing. Instead of generating random paragraphs, it creates structured articles, introductions, headings, SEO formatting, meta descriptions, even calls to action. Here's the formula. Tell Claude who it should be, who the audience is, what the task is, the tone you want, and the format. The result? An article that often needs only minor edits. Work that used to take 2 to 4 hours now takes about 6 minutes. Creating thumbnails can be frustrating. Finding stock photos, hiring designers, waiting for revisions, or trying to make everything yourself. Google ImageFX changes that. Describe exactly what you want. For example, a futuristic AI robot working inside a modern office with dramatic lighting and cinematic realism. Seconds later, you have multiple image options. Need something different? Generate variations instantly. The more detailed your prompt, the better the results. Creating 10 thumbnail ideas now takes around 5 minutes instead of several hours. This might be the most powerful tool on the list, because instead of helping you do work, it helps you stop doing it altogether. Imagine uploading a YouTube video, then automatically generating social media posts, publishing them, Sending notifications, updating spreadsheets, even emailing your team without touching your computer again. That's what Make.com does. Think of it as digital employees working 24 hours a day. Setting up workflows used to take an entire day. Now, you can build them in about 10 minutes using pre-built templates. If you repeat the same task every week, there's a good chance Make.com can automate it. Let's recap. Descript for editing, Gamma for presentations, Perplexity for research, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, Claude for writing, ImageFX for images, Make.com for automation. Together, these 7 tools can save 20 to 30 hours every single week. That's almost an extra day of your life, every week. And most of them have free versions, meaning you can start today without spending anything. Here's my challenge for you. Don't try all 7. Pick just one, the one that solves your biggest time problem. Use it for 1 week, then come back and tell me how much time you saved. I'm genuinely curious which tool becomes your favorite. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button. Subscribe to Tech Vault for weekly videos on AI tools, productivity, automation, and the future of technology. And before you go, comment below. If AI could automate one task in your job today, what would it be? Thanks for watching, and I'll see